this vent's right here.
Uh-oh. I don't think he's supposed to knock it off. Just a guess.
Yeah, I don't think so.
There it goes again.
Was my mom coming?
She said she was going to try. She thought she might be able to sneak out about 1:30.
Oh, he'll be done. He's got 2 more after this, and then I think he's leaving to go to work.
Hi, Dave.
Hi, how are you?
Look at.
Did you get to go out there and play on any of the equipment?
No.
Oh, maybe next year.
Nick, get over here.
Oh, look at this.
Well, that's pretty cool.
They have free food back there if you're hungry.
Yeah.
Well,
and
actually, I
free
just ate.
toys
I
over
didn't
there,
know they
free
had
hats. We got a whole
I
bunch
didn't either. I didn't know it was free.
of stickers.
Got one. When I walked in, vacuum up and greeted me, and he says, "You here to compete?"
Right? I can't spend the night, Grandma's right.